So today's lecture is on AutoCAD, in which we discuss about the various commands. We covered line command here. Now moving on to the circle. So circle command is used to create round figures on the AutoCAD. So you can directly select the circle command from the command ribbon, or you can go to the draw and select here circle. Circle is of various types such as center radius, center dia, 2 point, 3 point, tan radius, or tan. Tan means tangent, tangent. So we discuss all the types of circle from here, or you can type C on your keyboard and then enter. So your circles command starts. Now here you can see in the bottom we have a circle command running, which defines whether you want to draw a circle with 3 point, 2 point, tan radius, or other options. So we start the circle command, click anywhere on the screen and you can define the radius or diameter. By default in AutoCAD the circle selects the radius, but if you want to give the diameter, so you have to click D on the keyboard and then give the diameter of the command. So by default it is selecting the radius, so I just give this radius as 300 and then enter. Now here you can define the circle with the radius of 300. Again, if you click on C on your keyboard and then enter, the circle command starts. And if you want to draw a circle with the help of diameter, suppose I want to create a circle with diameter of 300, so just click D on your keyboard and then enter. Now the circle is made with the diameter option, okay, and then you have to give the diameter such as 200. Now the circle is made with the diameter of 200 here. You can clarify this by going towards the dimension and select the diameter here, click on the circle. Now you can see the diameter is 200, okay, and similarly you can see here, go to the dimension, click radius, you can see the radius is 300 of this circle. So this is how you can make a circle by radius option as well as by diameter option. Now comes to the another options to draw the circle. Just click on the draw, here click on circle and then go to the 2-point circle. So 2-point circle is nothing, it's required 2 points to draw the circle, whether the points are the end points of the line or the corners of the rectangle or any other entity, but it requires 2 points to draw the circle. So I just click somewhere here on the screen and I give the second point somewhere here and my circle is drawn, okay. And now you can select again draw, click on circle and then go to the 3 points. Again you want to draw a circle with 3 points, so 3 points can be anywhere on the screen, first point, second point, and you have to give the third point. Similarly, if you want to draw a circle with the 3-point option but covering the centers of these circles, so suppose I click on this center, just hover your mouse on the circle, you see a center here and here. So this is how you can define the 3-point circle. First point is the center of this circle, second is the center of this circle, and third is the center of this circle. So by passing on the center of these 3 circles, you can draw a circle with the help of 3-point circle command. Moving on to the another option, click on the draw circle and now we need tan radius. So tan radius, for this I need to draw some lines here, or you can say just draw any random lines, no need to draw a rectangle or something like this. So go to the draw, click on circle, click on tan radius. So we require 2 tangents and 1 radius, so you can select any of these lines which act as a tangent. So I click this line, I click this line, so you define the 2 limits of the circle. Now you have to define the radius of the circle. Let us say the radius of circle is 100, enter. Now what happened, this circle is created outside this object or outside this quadrilateral. Why? Because the radius of the circle is very small, 100 mm, and the you can see the tangents are always like this. So I just extend the lines here, and you can see these lines are perfectly tangent to this circle, as you can see here. So if you draw a circle of bigger radius, definitely it will be made between these two lines, but the radius of the circle is very small, so the software select accordingly and it draws a circle which is outside the quadrilateral, but when we extend these lines toward the circle, they will meet at a tangent point to this circle. Now you can make a circle inside this. Let's try again here. Draw circle, tan radius, click on this radius, click on this line. Now draw a circle with radius of 300 mm. See, now the circle is tangent, this circle is tangent to this line, and similarly this circle is tangent to this line also, and it is made between these lines. Okay, now you can define the circle with the help of tangents, two tangents and one radius, and the last option of the circle is tangent, tangent and tangent. So just click here, draw, and then go to the circle and then click tangent, tangent, tangent. So we require three lines or tangents points which define the circle diameter or radius. So I just click on this line, click on this line and click on this line. So you can see a circle is created by three lines which are tangent to it, and these lines are its limits in which the circle is to be formed. So this is how you can draw the circle with the help of various options. So there are three methods by which you can input the circle command: by directly clicking on the circle icon in the command ribbon, or just go to the draw, click on circle, and as per your requirement select the option to draw the circle. And you can draw a circle by clicking C and on your keyboard and then enter, and you can see in the bottom command line circles command starts, and you want to give the specify the first point of the circle anywhere on the screen like this. And if you want to draw the circle with the help of radius, or if you want to draw the circle with the help of diameter, you have to define the options on the command line at the bottom, by which you can draw the circle as per your requirement. So this is the circle commands. In the next lecture we discuss about various other commands. So thanks for watching.